Hello and welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Are you specifically looking for a bird book which includes a parrot or any wild bird like an eagle? Have you always been fascinated about birds, especially eagles, and would like to learn more about these predatory birds? We have a user-friendly book about predator birds. We would like you to know about birds of prey of the West. This is a user-friendly book which is highly efficient in teaching you all about predator birds. This book features full-color photographs, GWAS facts, and a lot more. With this field guide, you have everything you need to learn about and identify flying predators found between Montana and New Mexico and West, including Alaska. The author of this book is Stan Tekiela. This item is ideal for kids, the library, schools, or for collection. Equip yourself the knowledge about birds. Buy the Birds of Prey of the West today at a very affordable price and see to it that you and your kids will have an informative book about birds. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.